In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to start YouTube TV free trial account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in tv.youtube.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now, in your home page, you're going to find this kind of pop-up, Start Free Trial. In case you cannot find this option, click on your profile icon given at the top right. Select the option Settings. Now navigate to the option Membership. Click on the option Explore Plans. Now from here you can choose a plan. After you do that, in case you have promo code, type in that and click on Next. You can also add these to your plan: NFL Sunday Ticket, HBO 4K Plus. Once you are done, click on Checkout. Now provide your payment details: credit or debit card, PayPal or Cash App. You won't be charged until the trial ends. After completion of the trial, you will be charged. Before the trial period, you can cancel the subscription. This way you are able to start YouTube TV free trial account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.